Did you know that an innovation such as the automobile took 62 years to reach 50 million consumers? Well, the internet only took 7 years to achieve 50 million consumers. And a social media such as Facebook only took 4 years in order to achieve 50 million consumers. The 21st century is the century of change and of innovation. And innovation has to be built on creativity. Well, creativity is a question of leveraging diversity. Hello. It is a great pleasure to welcome you in order to debate today another very important criteria for the excellence of management of your VET school. Let's talk about human relation inside your school. Not resource management, not human resources management, but human relations. What's the difference? Well, we want to build on diversity. We want to be creative. We want to be innovative. In order to do so, we cannot consider human beings and people inside of our school just as machines, just as numbers. We have to be able to recognize and develop the creativity and the abilities and skills of our people inside of our schools. And for that, once again, we have some good tools we can put into practice inside our vocational school in order to develop good, healthy human relationships inside the school. So let's get started. First important point. My school has to be able to recognize, attract, develop, and leverage talented people. We need to build on new transformational leadership. In order to do so, it is very important to recognize talents inside of my vocational schools. Second point, the organizational climate is very important. As we said before, diversity is a strength, but we need to leave diversity with a lot of respect inside of our vocational school. In order to do so, it is very important to use questionnaires to understand how healthy is the climate and the relation between the people inside of my school. Now, the third point also is to be able to develop the right skills, behavior, and set of values inside of our school. In order to do that, it is very important to develop an inside corporate university or inside corporate training inside of my school so that the proper abilities, skills for business management, education management, and the core values can be trained and can be developed. Let's sum up what we have talked about. We've just said that people inside of my school are much more than just numbers and machines. So we are not here to talk about human resources, but about human relationships. Developing healthy, good human relationships will help us to have more creativity and therefore be more innovative inside of our vocational school. Innovation will be central, fundamental to achieve our vision for the future. Now I would like to propose you a little challenge. I would like you to think about what are the core skills that you want to perform, develop, leverage inside of your school in order to have this proper, healthy, good climate in terms of human relationship, and so that you can achieve your role and your vision for the future. Thank you so much for your time and see you very soon.